This is Heather. She likes her job as a manager of volunteers at a nonprofit organization. But Heather has a problem. Heather's nonprofit needs to ensure that all the supplies that are purchased are approved by the right person and not the same person that made the purchase, and that a paper trail is kept for all purchases. What to do, she wondered. How in the world could she put together a system and then train all her volunteers to use it? Then Heather heard about the LearnerPoint app for SharePoint, where learning and working go hand in hand. Since the LearnerPoint app will show Heather how to create her own LearnerPoint process in SharePoint, she quickly creates a website for filling out a requisition slip, a purchase order, and a check authorization slip. Next, Heather creates and uploads the learning resources for her volunteers to learn to fill out these documents. Then she assigns roles for the people in the approval process. Heather smiled when she thought about her volunteers asking, "So how do we get approval to buy supplies?" She would simply tell them, "Just click on Requisition Slip and it will tell you what to do." There, they will find learning resources and have their requisition slip submitted within minutes. Once approved, a requisition slip kicks off a process for a purchase order, followed by a check authorization slip process, all with embedded learning resources created in SharePoint with a LearnerPoint app. Since Heather's cash disbursement app comes loaded with learning resources and default role assignments, other nonprofits could set it up and start using it within minutes. Now, that made her really happy. So, what's your problem?